Hello everybody, we are back with the first PS2 of the lot. Let's see what we've got. This console is from a working lot I've bought from eBay, and I've done an unboxing and a first fault finding video that you can find in the card on the top right corner of this video. I've took one of them, and I'm afraid that this is not the best looking PS2 I've ever saw. It's dirty and dusty, but the only problem that I've wrote is a grinding noise that, I suppose, is coming from the laser assembly. First thing I'm going to do is power it on and double check the problem, and, as we can hear, there is definitely some noise coming from the laser. Since all the screws are missing, I removed the top cover to see what we've got on the inside. Without the lid, the laser is moving, so I guess that we have some kind of problem with the plastic cover. But I'm going to clean it and tighten a screws, since the arm that connects the laser to the motor axle seems loose, and the laser won't stop at the end of the carriage. This last problem should be solved just by cleaning and reseating the flex cable. After some more disassembly, I found with my surprise a Modchip that I've not anticipated being here. For now, I'll leave it where it is, and I'll test this later since all the soldering joints are looking good. Since the inside are pretty dusty and the fan is disgustingly full of grime, I'll took the console outside and I'll clean it with some compressed air. But this isn't still clean enough for me, so next step is to disassemble the fan, clean it and also clean the rest of the console, including the laser assembly, with some IPA and grease the DVD carriage. After reassembling the bare minimum, let's see if we solved any problem. And yes, as we can see, we don't have any noises and the laser don't crash on the CD spindle anymore. Okay, after reassembling, the grinding reappeared, and now I'm sure that the top cover is the problem, since without it the console works. After disassembling the top part, I've started to check everything and I've took another console with the same model number to see if I could spot any differences. After some digging, I've spotted a difference in the laser itself. As you can see, the one on the left have a notch in it, that align with the top part of the console, while the one that I'm working on is flat and get clamped down by the cover, making it impossible for it to move. My guess is that the laser is from a different revision, and so it won't work with the plastic of this one. Maybe the problem wasn't the top cover after all. I've then changed the whole DVD assembly, and after making sure that the backup battery is still charged, and after rebuilding the console, I can check if everything is working, but before doing it, I'll clean and grease the disc lid mechanism. Okay, so everything seems to work great, and since the cover of these and other consoles are really bad, I'm thinking of buying some new one and replace them. But for now, this is it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to see the other consoles repair and other videos like this, and please leave a like, it really helps me. I'm Leo, and as always, remember to keep things alive.